Once upon a time, there was a beautiful jungle. There were many trees and flowers. The animals are also friendly. But there lived a naughty and lazy monkey that likes to litter. His house is full of rubbish. He can barely see the floor. After he throws the rubbish, he will be lazy and won't pick it up. One day, Ted visited Chimpee. He saw his house full of rubbish. He said,
"Hey, Chimpee, please clean up your house. If you don't, you may fall one day."
Ah, who cares?
One day, while he was walking in the house, he accidentally tripped over a banana peel and fell onto the ground and started crying.
Help! Help! Help!
Ted was walking home when he heard the monkeys crying. He then rushed into the house and saw the monkey on the floor. He said,
"Oh my God!"
Then he lifted the monkey and brought him to the nearby cliff. In the emergency room, he was treated by Dr. Owl. The doctor told him,
"You hurt your backbone, Chimpee. How did this happen?"
The monkey then explained,
I tripped over a banana peel and fell down because I never cleaned my room.
You have learned a lesson now. Always remember that cleanliness is important to our health.
After a few weeks, Chimpee finally recovered from his pain. He was healthy again. He learned his lesson.
From now on, I will never litter again.
We must not litter or it may cause accidents.